The president wants a payroll tax cut, but the people want a second stimulus check. Which one is better? Which one would you prefer? And more importantly, which one will give you more money? The answers and your daily stimulus check update is coming right away. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Finance Kit. As always, my name is Dion and I'm here to push your financial mindset towards a better reality. In this video, we will go over the most recent stimulus updates and the second stimulus check. Also, there has been some news developments and more positive news, so stick with me. And for those of you that are part of this community already and you have subscribed, welcome back and thank you very much. And if you're not a subscriber, maybe this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right away. It doesn't cost you anything after all, and I will bring you all the stimulus updates along with other personal finance tips in the future. Let's get straight to it. The Trump administration wants to give workers a payroll tax cut. That is not new news, as the president has been bringing this up for a while now. But yesterday, Vice President Pence stated that we've got to have a payroll tax cut. So it is possible the payroll tax cut could be in the next round of stimulus packages. If the president gets his way, that is for sure. After all, he needs to sign the bill in order to be accepted as a law. Do you know what a payroll tax is, by the way? Let me tell you real quick, and this will help us understand why this idea is good for some people, and at the same time, it doesn't benefit others at all. Well, the payroll tax is effectively Medicare plus Social Security, total of 15.3% collected from your paycheck. Half is paid by you as an employee and half is paid by the employer. If you are self-employed, well, then you pay the full 15.3%. Now, as you can see, this will benefit you only if you're employed and you're getting a paycheck. So, just to do a quick example, let's say that this stimulus package idea is accepted and in effect from July 1st this year. You have 6 months to work until the end of the year. And let's say you made $25,000 until the end of 2020. Well, 25,000 times 7.65%, which is half of 15.3, will mean that you're taking home extra $1,912.50. Again, that is just an example. But as you can see, that is almost $2,000 you can take home as extra income. At the same time, your employer gets to save that amount as well. By the way, like and share this video real quick so more people can see it. Now, the problem with all this is that while a payroll tax cut would help workers take home bigger paychecks, it wouldn't help those that have lost their jobs or simply do not work anymore because they are retired or on some kind of benefits. This is why some people are not very much on board with this idea. In addition, a payroll tax cut will hurt the Social Security overall, which is already facing funding issues. Here's how Howard Glackman at the Urban Brookings Tax Policy Center described the issues with the payroll tax cut idea. The first issue is that really exclusively it benefits people who are working. And he said, it's not targeted particularly well to those who need it the most. And I can agree with that. The second issue is that by cutting payroll taxes, and he said, you are blowing an even bigger hole in the Social Security trust fund, which is already in trouble. Do you agree? For me, this makes complete sense. Yes, payroll tax cut will provide extra money, but it is not helping everyone, first of all, and in the long run, it will cause even more issues by defunding the Social Security. My personal fear is that payroll tax cut idea may become a pretty big point of negotiations and even a deal breaker for the next stimulus check package. Yesterday, Vice President Pence stated that we've got to have a payroll tax cut. He also added, we've got to have the kind of pro-growth policies that will continue this economic recovery. We will see how this negotiations develops in the next week or so. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any of those daily updates. The positive we can take out of all this is that the negotiations continue. The president and lawmakers are exchanging ideas and confidently talking about the next relief bill. Whatever that bill includes, it has to be beneficial for all. Some other strategies lawmakers are evaluating are continuing extra unemployment benefits, which would encourage people to stay home to avoid the pandemic, or something like back to work bonuses, which would reward them for resuming their jobs or seeking employment. And quite honestly, we might see all of those in one last packaged deal. Unemployment benefits could be cut down to $250, maybe $300 a week. In addition, we can have a $450 or so go back to work bonus. Added benefit can be the payroll tax cut, but not for more than a few months or by the end of the year at the most. And most importantly, a second stimulus check for the people, which in my opinion, again, will most likely be just like the first one, $1,200 one-time payment. This would benefit and provide financial support to most Americans hurt by this coronavirus pandemic. What do you think? Is that a good way of moving forward? In my opinion, it will not be fair to exclude people that are not working from the next stimulus bill. It will have to be something lawmakers take under consideration. I will continue with my daily stimulus updates and other personal finance tips in the future, working around the clock for you and sharing my content as soon as physically possible. Thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you. Like and share this video so more people can see it as well. Down in the description, you will find links that are helpful and other videos listed down there as well. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset towards a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.